Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Buick Lucerne CXL. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.9-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Buick has less than 107,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.